So this will be our trend for the day on our GBP USD. So we did analysis right yesterday. I told you guys that GBP JPY is literally ranging. Now, first, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. And also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, we will start with our main trend. So before we take a trade, we need to know what the trend is. And as you can see on our GBPJPY, we are in an uptrend move. It is very clear that market is trending to the upside. We are very much trending to the upside. This is a very much bullish move, right? That is exactly what market is giving us. We are trending to the upside. We are in an uptrend move. Now, guys, take a look at this movement, right? Market was able to now push up to give us an high. Here comes the higher low. Market push up one more time to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market then give us some more movements which formed a new higher high. Now here comes the higher low. Market now give us another bullish move, which is a new higher high, and now this is an higher low, which it's forming an equal higher low, right? So it has come back to our previous higher low level, thereby forming an equal low for us. So with this movement, we should expect market to actually push up, right? That is exactly what we'll be expecting for the day, kind of like a bullish move for us. Now, when you zoom it in also, you will see that market is doing something right here, which is ranging. So it is ranging within this level. So have it in mind that there's a possibility that once it taps this resistance right here, it will most likely drop. So just make sure your bias is very flexible, because if in case market is able to push up and tap this resistance level, have it in mind that there's possibility it will drop. And if it drops back to the support level, then you can now start looking for a buy again that will come back to tap this resistance level. So basically for now, we should be ranging on our GBP JPY. So once market is able to break above this level, which is the resistance, then we can now confirm that we are now in an uptrend move and market will continue to trend to the upside. For now, market is still ranging. So let us range with it. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the next updates.